guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a sun-kissed bronzy look for you guys, and since it has been amazingly warm where I'm at, I thought that I would do my makeup outside for you today. So I'm just going to do a voiceover because I don't want to draw attention to the fact that I'm outside. So if you would like to see how I achieve this sun-kissed bronzy kind of sunburnt look, then just keep watching. So I thought it would be fun to just sit outside and do my makeup. Our summers are so short in the northern part of Canada, and when we get summers they're very warm, so I thought I would take advantage of that and enjoy the warmth. So I'm starting off with my Milani Prime Light just to give an added dewiness to the skin. I want to go for a really bronzed, sun-kissed, dewy look. Now I'm going in with the Catrice Camouflage Cream just to brighten up the corners of my eyes a bit. I don't use this too often, but I do like it and it blends out really nice, especially on a hot, humid day. My makeup was blending out beautifully. Now I'm going in with my NYX Born to Glow concealer. Like the concealer is called Born to Glow, it is a very glowy, dewy foundation. My Born to Glow foundation. And now that I have a little bit of a tan, it's matching better with my skin tone, so I don't have to blend it with anything else. And yeah, I really love when I want to go for a glowy look, it's the perfect foundation. Now for my concealer. This is by far my favorite drugstore concealer. I keep trying them, and this is just the one that I love the best. It has the most natural finish for me. It blends out beautifully. I don't find that it creases too much, and usually matches well with whatever setting powder I'm choosing to use if I do, and I can also go without. So I am just using it in light today, and it's Maybelline, obviously. For my contour, I'm going in with my Huda Beauty Tantour. This is for me the contour that blends out the easiest and also has kind of like your golden tan mixed in with your contour, so it's not too warm that it can't be a contour, but has enough warmth so that it can be a dual contour. Just add some more bronziness to your skin, I guess, hence the word tantour. I think if I had to pick a favorite product for summer, it would be the Cheek Heats from Maybelline. So I am using Rose Flush today, and I am putting that on the apples of my cheeks, on my cheekbones, on my nose. I put some on my forehead, and I just like to blend that through with my cream contour, cream bronzer, to add that really flushed kind of burnt look to the face without being burnt. So you just give that nice glowy rosy look, and it just blends out so nicely, and it works so well under blushes. I always will go in and just add a little blush on top, and it just kind of enhances it. Now I'm going in with the NYX setting spray in the dewy finish and my Milani bronzer over top. I find sometimes that if you just add a setting spray in between whatever you're doing after you've put your foundation on, concealer, and now you want to go in with some powders, with the NYX one, I find that it'll just kind of help blend out your powders a little bit better, give them a little bit more intensity, and just make them last a little bit longer. Like I said, I like to add a little bit of blush over top of my cheekies, so I'm going in again with my Peach Bliss from Makeup Revolution and just going over where I applied my cheek heat, so on the apples, on my nose, on my cheekbones, and now I'm taking Too Faced Peach Blur for my setting powder, just something really light. It's a pressed powder. I don't want to have any powdery ness to my face because it's so warm, so this is a nice little setting powder for that. And also my Colorescience sunscreen, my mineral sunscreen in the color Tan, and it's an SPF 30, so I'm just gonna set all of my makeup with that. And then that is it. This is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, just getting outside and doing my makeup, and yeah, I will see you guys again soon.